The Ecarke 800 PSI Power Washer offers an impressive 800 pounds per square inch of cleaning power, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime on a variety of surfaces. With a 6-in-1 multi-spray nozzle and foam cannon, this washer provides exceptional versatility for different cleaning tasks, from a gentle shower to a powerful jet. Its cordless design, compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, ensures total mobility and freedom from power cords, making it perfect for use in remote locations. The lightweight design, weighing under 4.5 pounds without the battery, allows for easy handling and maneuverability during your cleaning projects. Featuring a long hose with a built-in filter, this washer can draw water from various sources, including buckets and lakes, offering great convenience for off-grid cleaning. Whether cleaning cars, decks, or garden tools, the Ecarke Power Washer delivers professional-level results with ease, ensuring your home and outdoor spaces remain spotless.